This video is a real-world simulation about counting sort algorithm. What is counting sort algorithm, by the way? Let's go to the library and find out. Rana, do you know what is counting sort algorithm? Counting sort is a sorting algorithm that sorts the element of an array by counting the number of occurrences of each unique element in array. The counting is stored in an auxiliary. The sorting is done by mapping the count as an index of the auxiliary. Let's go, Janet, and calculate it. Let's go. Let's start the simulation. There are book numbers on each books that I have here. Number 1, 4, 1, 2, 7, 5, and 2. Let's count how many book numbers and put them in count array. In index 0, there is no book number 0, so it will be 0. In index 1, there are 2 books number 2, so it will be 2. In index 2, there are 2 book number 2, so it will be 2. In index 3, there is no book number 3, so it will be 0. In index 4, there are 1 book number 4, so it will be 1. In index 5, there are 1 book number 5, so it will be 1. In index 6, there is no book number 6, so it will be 0. In index 7, there is 1 book number 7, so it will be 1. In index 8, there is no book number 8, so it will be 0. And in index 9, there is no book number 9, so it will be 0. Let's modify the count array by adding the previous counts. 0 plus 2 is equals to 2. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. 4 plus 0 is equals to 4. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. 6 plus 0 is equals to 6. 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. 7 plus 0 is equals to 7. And 7 plus 0 is equals to 7. Since we have 7 input, we create an array with 7 places, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It is called as places. We place the objects in their correct positions and decrease the count by 1. We place the objects in their correct positions and decrease the count by 1. So this array will be our objects. This one is our index, and this one is our counts array, and this one is our places. So the simulation that we are going to do is that 1 is represents our index 1. So that the counts of index 1 is 2. That will be deducted by 1. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So 2 will be 1. 4, the counts of index 4 is 5, that will be deducted by 1. So 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. So the 5 will be 4. 5 pieces will be 4. And number 1, the counts of index 1 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So our 1 will be 1. The other object is 2. The index 2
is the count array of index 2 is 4. That will be deducted by 1. So 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. And our 4 will be 2. So 7, index 7's counts is 7. So 7 will be deducted by 1. 7 minus 6, 1 is equals to 6. So our 7 will be 7. And 5, the count array of 5 is 6. That will be deducted by 1. So 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. So the 6 is 1, 5. 2, the counts of index 2 is 3. That will be deducted by 1. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So our 3 will be 2.
This is our output, the correct positions that we place to our 7 places.